my name's Arden Rose and you're watching Adulting, which is where I show you how to grow up your cooking game. That's right. And today is very appropriately or inappropriately titled, Girl on Grill. What? Whoa. So today we're gonna make a grilled Little Jim salad with asparagus, grilled peaches, and goat cheese. I know, it sounds amazing, but that's not all. We're also gonna do an amazing meatless cheeseburger that you guys are gonna die for. I can't wait to eat it. I so can't wait to eat it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is drizzle everything with a little bit of olive oil, just so we get a nice char on everything. But I'm not going to season with salt or pepper just yet because I don't wanna draw out too much moisture. I'm going to toss that up. Warm salad? What are you even trying to do to me? Let me tell you, if you haven't had grilled lettuce, you are doing yourself a disservice. It is delightful, it is crispy, crunchy. These guys are like cute little Tic Tac guys. These are Little Jims. You can get them at your local farmer's market. But I think these guys are so cute. Look at them, I'm obsessed with tiny things. All right, now, are you ready for this? This is about to get noisy. Oh wow, listen to that crazy sizzle. Oh my God, snap, crackle, pop. Wow, beautiful. So I'm gonna line these guys up. Y'all, I love grilling. And the great thing about using a grill pan indoors is that you can do this in the winter time. You get to have delicious char grilled things like any time of year. That's the best. It's summer year round, y'all. I'm gonna put my little asparagus people over here, give myself some distance so that I don't have to worry about burning my phalanges. And then I'm also gonna take my little halves. They smell so good. I'm gonna put them face down. Ooh, this is gonna be gorgeous. When it comes to something like peaches, they kind of do their own thing. They're super juicy, they already have a ton of moisture, but try to keep them on the same grill mark path because like those delicious little divots are just gonna hold char grilled flavor. Treat them kindly, but don't worry about them too much. Like, look at that. Holy smokes. Yes, girl, she's juicy. Hello. What about you? Okay, I'm gonna flip this. Look at those marks. That's flavor right there. I am such a proponent to being able to do this all the time with absolutely anything. Any kind of vegetable you feel like is boring, throw it on a grill pan. Look at these beauties. Oh my God, they truly are Little Jims, am I right? And I'm just gonna bunch up all of our asparagus. Hi, look how easy that is. And throw them all on. I'm gonna take this bad boy, chop off stems. It's like I'm Marie Kondoing my baby gem. I'm thanking my stems for helping me. Thank you, you've been so useful. Thank you, goodbye. Y'all, cooking with fire, there's something primally satisfying about it. And it's just fun to do, you know? Get your grill on, who cares? You go, grill. That was lovely. Okay. No, you can cut the laugh track now. You didn't need it. All right, the joke's done. Okay, thanks. Now I'm gonna chop these guys up into little inch pieces for our asparagus. And don't cut yourself. That's a great thing to do when you're working with squidgy fruit. Be careful. And I'm gonna toss all this together. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. There's something about moist lettuce that's just been freshly flame grilled that just does wonders for the hands. Oh my God, get out of here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning because we didn't do anything to this before it hit the grill, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And the fun thing is, salt will also bring out the sweetness of the peaches. That's something my grandmother used to do. She used to literally like cut a watermelon and literally just put salt all over a watermelon and then eat it. You go, Granny, do your thing. Okay. I'm gonna toss in our dressing now. It's just sherry vinaigrette, a little bit of honey, some Dijon. You can add some pepper if you want, salt. Just kind of like make it to taste. And it will go with so many delicious things. So I'm gonna toss some of that in. Ooh, girl. Ooh, grill. And then I'm gonna toss that up with my tossing utensils. Toss it up. Oh my God, it's fun because every now and then you get like a little pop of all the grill marks and it's like, oh my gosh, what'd you do to this salad? So artisanal of you, how grown up. I'm like, yes, I have a 401k. I know what's up. Grill marks, that's what's up. Now that we've got that all nice and tossed, we get to finish off with two wonderful things. And that is pistachios some of my favorite nuts. This will add a bit of like creamy crunch, a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna use a fork to break up some of our goat cheese. Yes, and we wait to like add this so that you don't have to worry, oh my God, calm down. So you don't have to worry about your plate getting too creamy, too milky. Okay, one more good glob there, nice. And I think we've done it. Can you believe it? We made all of this on a grill. What? A salad on the grill? I know, it sounds like an oxymoron, but it's not. Only a moron wouldn't make their salads on the grill. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a try since it's all finished up. I'm gonna get a little bit of peach. You ready for this? This is girl on grill action right now. The saltiness of the seasoning with that really rich, smoky flavor, plus that peach. This is like summertime happiness that you can have any time of year. Now that we're all done with our salad, I'm gonna move on to the star of this meal, which is me. No, which is our burgers. I am so excited. They're a little bit special though because they're meatless. Let's get them. I feel like this is something that is becoming more and more important as the years go by. Choosing sustainable options, choosing meat options that are not really meat options, they're non-meat options. I'm gonna throw these guys on the grill pan, but first, we're gonna put some oil on them, some salt and pepper so that they don't stick. Unlike a traditional meat burger, these guys have a lower fat content. So A, that's great for your cholesterol, but also you're gonna need to add back a little bit of fat in the pan. That's totally fine, just give them a little bit more care. And then we're gonna salt it up. Most of your seasoning is gonna fall off on the grill, so it's good to really over season and try to pack it with as much as you can so that you are kind of like hedging your bets that it's gonna keep all nice and toasty and salty. Okay, let's get this party started. Time for the star of the show, my burgers. Ooh, yes, you hear that? Do you hear that chemical reaction happening? We're gonna get some grill marks up in here. Because these are meatless burgers, we're gonna do 3 minutes per side. They don't need to be cooked for too long, and we're gonna have an even peakness throughout. It will be totally fine and delicious as is. And I want to add onions to this grill because grilled onions are the spice of life. I mean, they're not literally a spice, but they're amazing. So I'm gonna go grab some onions. This also has all my other accoutrements on it for later, but I'm gonna take 2 of these bad boys. Oh my God, it's so lovely to see you. And I'm not gonna put olive oil or anything on them because they've already got some moisture and we wanna cook that out a little bit. I love onions. They have such a deep personality, so many layers. I am gonna flip these guys because I think they're ready to go. Oh, yes, we're getting that char grilled moment that we want, and they're not sticking because there's enough oil on them. And now I'm gonna check our onions just to see how we're doing. Yeah, these guys can go. Oh man, look at that one. And now I'm gonna throw on our extra spicy little Colby Jack because we want this to melt on our burger and get all nice. Let the heat from that go. I'm also gonna toast up these buns. I'm saving this for last because this guy will heat up so fast. You do not wanna burn your buns, all right? Buns for buns. There we go. Now our buns are getting all cozy. They're gonna get toasty. It's gonna go fast, so I'm not gonna leave them for too long. I mean, like, that's done. That is done. And I think our burgers are ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna put this on our cooling rack first just to give it a little time to settle. Oh my God. Hi guys, how we doing? Look at this onion stack. This is what dreams are made of. This looks amazing. So I'm gonna go grab a plate so I can plate this up and put it in my pot. Let's do it. So I'm gonna go bun first, obviously, because I'm not a psychopath. Then we're gonna lay down a little bit of lettuce. Then we're gonna go burger. Oh my God. And because we being naughty today, I'm gonna go double burger. Double, look at that thickness. Oh my God. I'm gonna kind of like layer this a little bit more so you're gonna get an edge to it. And then I'm gonna go tomato, and we can't forget the pickles. as we have learned from SpongeBob. You forget the pickles, you die. We're gonna add on a little bit of ketchup. I'm just gonna put a little bit of ketchup on. And I'm just going to put a little bit of mayo directly on my bun. Oof, look at those grill marks. And now, a piece de resistance. The squish. Oh boy, howdy. I could just have some alone time with this, but I think we should add one more friend to the party because this needs a drink. I have been near a hot pan for a little while now, so I think a cold beer is much deserved. So cheers to this amazing burger. Look at that. You have no excuse to not have at least one Meatless Monday this month. Cheers. Oh yes, big fan of that. And now I get to have a bite of my burger. Yes! This might get a little nasty. Oh, that is f***ing good. That is very good. Oh my God. The mayo kind of tamps that heat down a little bit. This burger is better than any restaurant-style burger I've had, and I can have it in my house at any time. If this isn't growing up a classic favorite, I don't know what is. So, do this for yourself. Grow up your cooking game, try it out for yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.